We'll be doing a walkthrough on the best way to analyze a patent through the family members that exist within that same family. So on the left-hand side is the family view, for which when you click into it, will provide for you a list of all the documents that belong to the same family as this example patent around a HARQ codebook for multi-transmit receive point communication owned by the Qualcomm assignee. In front of us is the list of different jurisdictions for which is designated for each of the publication numbers, as well as the application number that is attached to it originally, with the application date and estimated expiry date of when it's expected to expire, usually 20 years from the original filing date in that jurisdiction, if the maintenance fees payments are made on time. Above are various different views for which we can look into each of these documents, either through a thumbnail in order to see each of the individual documents, geographically where the coverage exists on a publication and an application level, with the intensity of the blue essentially telling you the volume of how much there are publications in that jurisdiction, with of course all those documents also available below here. And at the very top is the final tree map in order to connect all of the various different family members based on the relationship on a priority document level, continuations, divisionals, PCT applications, as well as EPO applications. And of course, you can adjust the settings in order to filter by a specific application year range, authority, legal status, and being able to display other information on the different document items that we see in front of us here.